Bird's eye baby mums don't deserve these buggies, they make me sick. Cause they gon' get a whole week shopping in Iceland for like 25 quid. Fizzy sweets and chocolates, no fresh fruit, herbs or veggies, processed meals all packed in boxes. It's my bird's eye bitches, dirty skirting balls, dirty ovens and dirty fridges. No long ting beans on a hob oven, 15 minutes. Bird's eye mums, raising bird's eye daughters and bird's eye sons. The only time you eat fish is when you eat fish fingers. You don't eat fish without breadcrumbs. These bird's eye baby mums don't like cooking. They're always in a rush to throw chips in the oven, put the Benson down, turn these tenders off and cut some onions up. No chopping board, just a tray and some oven gloves. No time, no coriander, just mayonnaise and ketchup. These bird's eye baby mums don't want me to blow. They pray for my downfall. They want me to flop. They know they'll perish when I get the bird's eye flow on lock. And my mixtape drops, they're gonna have to give the kids fruits in the morning. The truth is, they wanna give them cow's milk and cocoa pops. You can see them in as the Tesco, Sainsbury's, these kind of places. Chicken dippers, baked beans, spaghetti hoops, smiley faces. Yo, it's my bird's eye bitches. Dirty skirting balls, dirty ovens and dirty fridges. No long ting beans on a hob oven, 15 minutes. Bust up your TV, bust up your TV, bust up your TV, TV. Bust up your TV, bust up your TV, bust up your TV, TV. Bust up your TV, bust up your TV.